Royal Play Equipments is proud to have installed a high-quality pickleball court at Jewel Builders in Ulhasnagar, designed with a strong focus on durability, safety, and professional finishing. Our pickleball courts are developed using premium-grade materials, accurate court markings, and a smooth, anti-skid playing surface that ensures long life and low maintenance. With expert planning, precise installation, and attention to detail, we deliver courts that meet modern standards and enhance the overall look of the space. Royal Play Equipments is known for providing the best quality products along with reliable service and timely execution. Table tennis paddle and ball sparkles order from Royal Play Equipments and get premium sports infrastructure with trusted quality and service.